Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph. I'm just popping on here real quick to let you know that my friend Timon is going to be the one sharing his knowledge on this channel. You know, he loves to create dramatic images with contrast lighting, and he likes to add spice to his shots. And so stay tuned through to the end. I think you're really going to enjoy this video. There's a first of many collaborations that we're going to be having together on this channel and on his channel. So enjoy, guys. That's all I can say. Enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, don't ever give up.
You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD here to bring you a new series on my channel called the Virtual Inspiration Photoshoot VIP. Now, the reason why I created this segment is to give creators all around the world a chance to collaborate with one another, no matter where you are. I also wanted this to help inspire other creatives in the community to get in touch with one another and just collaborate. I think it'll be a great thing overall just for this community. So that is the inspiration behind it. Now, what does this actually entail? This is a space where you have two creatives that takes inspirations from one another's portfolio. You take that inspiration and include it into your photo shoot workflow, and then you share the results with one another. Now, this first VIP guest is Joseph, also known as Phloshop. So what I did was I went to his YouTube channel and I drew inspiration from several different areas. And there were quite a few for me to select. I took those and I integrated them in what you see here today. Now, when I think of Phloshop, a few things come to mind. First is he definitely utilizes his home studio space at a high level. So I have that box checked off in terms of drawing inspiration. The second thing is that he loves building sets, which is something that I rarely do. So that was one of the biggest inspirations that I took from his work. And it actually helped me to build this set that you see right here. So from the inspiration, let's talk about the setup. Here we have a gold mirror, which I use because I normally let my models just look at themselves and fix things with this mirror, but everybody seems to love this mirror. So I said, let me include this in the set. So it has this gold trim. I looked around my house and I found this table and this candle holder that also had a gold trim. So all of these things were already in my house. The only thing that I had to purchase was this gold fabric that you see right on the ground and the gold fabric that you see on this cube seat right here. And that was about $20 from off of Amazon. These cubes is one that I'm sitting on. It's two stacked together. I already had those, but what I'm going to do is I actually have the gold fabric covering one of them, which you'll see the model sitting in a later clip. And I have one barely showing so you can see what the cube actually looks like. So that's pretty much the setup. Okay, nice, simple, but I think it looks elegant. Now, when it comes down to the actual gear used, we have a 2-light setup, and that is with the Godox MS300 with a 34-inch beauty dish softbox and a grid. And then as the backlight, we actually have a Godox 8200 with a 5-inch reflector and a yellow gel. And the reason why I use the yellow gel is because we have this gold accent right here, and I wanted some of it to spill on the backdrop for the post-processing when I color grade, but then also I wanted some of it just to graze the model's skin, so we have that on her as well. The camera that I'm actually using for this setup is the Fuji X-T5, which is a crop sensor camera with the 50mm 1.0 lens. So let's see what I was able to create with my VIP guest Joseph. Let's get into the photo shoot. All right, we're gonna do a test shot. 1, 2. Let's see what. I'm just gonna move this in a little bit closer.
Yes, I love this mirror.
Yeah, I was like, I gotta do a whole series with this mirror. See how we can orient this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's see.
Ooh.
Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just holding this up. Okay. So twist this, and then you scoot in a little bit. Yep. All right, perfect. All right. 1, 2, 3. Switch just. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. What's that be? All right. Let's get 1, 2. I forgot, we got the headpiece.
Which one you think? Ooh.
You want to go with that one? Yeah.
You got it.
1, 2, 3. And look into the mirror. And what I want you to do is that right leg, like elongate it a little bit. Oh, the left one, I'm sorry. Yeah. And yeah, perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. Let's go with that right there. Perfect. And put that right hand on like the table. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. Show you what this angle look like.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Got some flames right there.
Oh my goodness. Even the blackout. Like,
yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This might be my favorite outfit. This might be my favorite look.
That might be your favorite look?
This might be my favorite look.
All right. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Extend your left leg. Yeah. Perfect. Put like a little bend in it. Yeah, like right there. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. And glance off to that light. Perfect. Oh yeah, you want the tat. Yeah, let's do it like that then. So put like see if you could put like a, yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And bring that left foot in just a little bit. Try to like overlap. That's it. That's it. 1, 2. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.